Hi, this is 3 weeks and 3 days after my total knee replacement, and I'm going for my first bicycle ride. Now, thank goodness this is an electric bike. It has a low step through and it has a throttle. Three things that are essential in my case. Three weeks sitting around nursing a sore leg is about as much as I could stand. So far, the month of May 2022 has given us record sunshine and warmth, and I was itching to go for a ride on my new do-it-yourself converted bicycle. Last February, I received the components from Grin Technologies of Vancouver to put together a unique hill-climbing, cargo-towing bicycle, unlike anything available in bicycle stores. Due to lack of experience on my part and a defective part replaced on warranty, my knee replacement operation came before I could properly test all the features of the Grin Technologies hardware and software. The bicycle I converted is a standard Norco Scene 3 with step-through frame, 2.2-inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. The heart of the system is the GMAC motor, the only geared motor in the world that provides regenerative braking. In a future video, I'll tell you all about it, from the factors that influenced my choice, my communications with Grin Technologies, the ordering system, the challenges I faced in building something I had no experience with, the extraordinary GMAC technology, and the multiple advantages of Grin's unique software. Yesterday I replaced the defective part that I received just before my surgery, and now I'm finding out that it has corrected the problem. When I told my wife about what I was up to, the idea was met with disapproval. I admit it is a little reckless because if I fall on my operated leg, it could have catastrophic consequences. So I'm being cautious. I'm going 12 to 15 kilometers an hour, and I'm watching out for stray dogs, balls, and kids. It's a wonderful evening, so it feels nice. I'll just enjoy this little ride in my neighborhood, and you're welcome to follow me at my slow pace. If you want to see proof that I've had a knee replacement surgery, hang in till the end, or fast forward to a couple of minutes before the end. Well, that was a nice ride, short and sweet. Oh, you want proof that I've had a knee replacement? I'll show you. So guess which knee it is. Oh, it's healing very, very well. Still very swollen, but it's getting better. Oh, okay. Just before closing, I'm adding this little clip showing how I decided to mount the bicycle. I stand on the left side of the bike, I place the right pedal in the down position, and I pass my operated leg over the frame, and then I keep my surgical foot on the lower pedal during the entire ride without attempting to turn the pedals. In other words, I'm riding solely under throttle power. I hope you found this video entertaining or instructive, or at least not too boring. If you'd like to see more of my videos about electric bikes or bicycle campers, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, or visit my website www.robertberrio.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, never quit cycling.